Today on Everything and Anything Else, I have with me in the studio a very, very talented up-and-coming artist. He hails from Nigeria, not just Nigeria, Ogun State, but he was born and raised in Ikorodu. He goes by the name Brice Abe.
Hey.
Brice, how are you doing
Hello,
today?
hello. I'm good.
You look really chill and relaxed and all that. like you came really prepared for me today.
I come for you, man.
You come for me?
Honestly,
But you feel say if you handle all the things I go ask you today.
everything I did.
Okay. We'll see if you can actually manage that. But so we don't waste much time, you know, your name is Brice
Yes,
Abe. That's your stage name, right?
that's my
What's the real name?
My real name is Abayemi Abolaji Mohammed.
Abayomi Abolaji
Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Yes.
If I take that name from the front or I take it from the back, I don't see how it results to Brice Abe. How did you get there?
ABY in Abayomi.
Okay.
It's Abe.
What about the Brice?
The rest is actually my name too. I got it from my aunt.
Or you just made that up
No, I didn't
now?
make it up. No, I didn't.
That's
I
like
got
a
it from-
real name.
I got it from, it's a real name.
So if I
actually.
asked you to take
You can
off
Google
your
it.
sunglasses and I asked that question, I wouldn't see lie in your eyes. Ah, please.
Bryce is my real name. Bryce is actually my real name. I got it from my aunt for real.
Okay, so
But then I didn't really know. I didn't know I had that name until I saw my birth certificate and it was on it.
was it when you saw your birth certificate you realized your name is Brice, or when
Yeah,
you
I
decided
realized
to
my
start
name is
singing,
Bryce.
you were
No,
like,
no. It
"Auntie,
was
what
my
name do I
nickname
have?"
first if I even started singing. I was
Okay.
called Bryce.
All right.
I was called Bryce the boy.
Brice the boy. Then it went to Brice Abe.
Yes, I went to Bryce.
When you were
Abbey.
Brice the boy, what kind of songs were you
I was
singing?
not singing, it's just
Was just a
nickname.
thing?
Yes, I'm using him on most of this social media.
What
apps.
genre of song do you sing now?
Though Afrobeat, Afropop.
Afrobeat, Afropop. You know, many people go into music because, okay, they are talented and they feel like they can sing. Let me ask you this question, because fine boys have different stories for why they went into music.
Yeah, true.
Was it a heartbreak, or was it that you were broke and you needed to find the way out?
I think first it was just for fun, like, oh,
Okay.
music is fun. I just want to do it. Let me just go to the studio and sing.
Just wanted to go to the
I just want to
studio.
go to the studio and sing.
So you weren't trying at home to sing at first, and you realized, I'm actually good at this, though you went to the studio.
I did try. I wrote some songs even before I went to any studio. Yeah, I did. But then I sort of noticed my friends were dropping songs. And I
Okay.
felt I could do better. And I was like, okay, let me just go to the studio.
Sorry. Your friends were releasing songs.
And I felt
You heard
yeah,
that songs, you felt like you could do better than
Yes,
your
so-
friends.
yes, I was
Which word in particular
No,
did you
no,
listen to? No, just like, so I go know now, so I
Oh,
can look it up and
then-
try to listen.
No,
I
don't think
know one of the
they're
songs
really
your
old.
friends
I'm
did.
talking 2014, 2015.
No, now not when, like which one of your friends are you talking about?
They're no longer my friends.
I
You
know,
I don't
then.
remember. I don't remember the name of the songs anymore.
Ah, Bryce.
No, I really don't remember.
We're on
the songs.
TV, you shouldn't tell lies.
I'm not
People are
telling.
watching.
No, I'm not telling lies.
So you can't remember
I
any
don't
one of the
remember.
names?
I don't remember any.
Okay, what was the
don't
first song that you actually wrote?
It was for a friend.
Can you
It
do
was for a
it?
friend.
Do it right now. We're watching. Do it right now.
That's If I were Bono.
No, nah.
The name of the song?
If I invite you come party now, so you go sing am.
That's what I'm singing now. If I were Bono,
Okay.
Bitiwa, my baby girl Boriwa. My love for you is unique, girl. My love for you is unique. I did. It was on this. Please don't judge me, bit. Chris Brown. Please don't judge me.
Okay, please don't.
Yeah, I read it for
judge
a
me.
friend and
So you decided to Yorubalize the
just
awesome beat and song.
catch cruise with the beat and all.
So I could call your genre of song Catching Cruise.
No. Yeah, catching cruise, but Afrobeat, Afropop. But I just do whatever I like. I do what I enjoy,
Okay.
what I like doing. So once I just see a beat, even if it's R&B,
Yeah.
I'll just do what I want on the R&B beat.
Okay.
You get? So I just do what I want. I do what I like.
Okay. Talking about upbringing and background,
Mm-hmm.
how do you think your background or your upbringing has affected your music? The kind of sound
Okay,
you
I'll
decided
say
to put out
first
there.
of all, with the place I grew up in, it has helped my lyrics and
That's
kind
where
of
exactly.
music. Kind of music.
The place you grew up with. That's where.
That's a Ikorodu.
Okay.
So my style and everything, it influenced it, and I'll say yes. I'll say yes. It influenced it, but like it actually helps because then you know, okay, this is what I should sing about. This is what people can relate to. This is my story, and once you tell your story, so many people can relate to that same story.
True.
You get, so yeah, I'll say my background really helped because yeah, I'll say it really helped. for
Okay.
good.
You know what I like most about what you just said now? You said where you grew up influenced your music. I was like, where you said Ikorodu. So basically, Zlatan came from Ikorodu too.
Yeah.
And Zlatan is busy doing I everywhere. But you're singing like the relaxed guy.
Trust me.
Why are you not
Trust me.
I up and down too?
Trust me, it is even I is music. I enjoy Zlatan songs.
Okay,
Zlatan
but-
was my friend. He's my friend. He's my friend, but yeah.
Was your friend, he's your friend. I think I heard a story about both of you haven't been at the time, being student of, was it Mapoli?
Mashida Polytechnic.
Were you in
yes.
like the same level
Same
then?
department, yes.
The same level, the same department?
Same class.
Was there ever
same
like a
group.
competition where you dusted him?
I didn't do music. I was not doing music then. I didn't take music serious then.
How long has music been for you?
I'll say 2016.
2016, so basically 4 years and
4
you're
years.
already on this TV station.
Yes.
The dude is blown.
Yeah, blown.
Yeah, we're blown.
So I'll say when we were in school, I was more of his friend and I didn't even now I don't want to compete with anybody. I don't like competition.
Okay.
So I was more of his friend. We supported him and everything. So it was just him. Like, trust me, that guy is really, really, well, I say really hardworking and all.
Are you guys still in contact?
Yeah, once in a while we still talk.
Okay. Have you had any collaborations or do you plan on working on any?
Yeah,
I mean,
working
with
with
Zlatan,
them.
not other celebrities now.
With Zlatan, yes, of course.
You've had some.
No, I don't have any collaborations with him yet.
Okay, but you're planning on
Yeah,
dishing out some good music.
Probably.
Okay, I really can't wait to hear, the blend of your cool vibe, of which I'm eventually going to play you something from Vibes, just so you know what he sounds like and what kind of music he does. But before we get there, we'll still just keep up with this interview. And just so you know and be prepared for what's coming your way, I have a game that we're going to play.
Okay.
And apart from the game, I have a few messages from fans who have questions for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, I have like 7 already.
Questions.
Yeah, questions. Like there are actually a lot more than this, but I just decided to streamline them to this 7
Okay.
because these ones are like the most interesting ones I could, come up with. Now, you find people in Nigeria, basically, or maybe every part of the world, who didn't really have the support when they wanted to kick off their music careers. It's not just music, basically. In just every society, there are things you want to do that your parents or people around will feel like, okay, no, this isn't the way to go. What was your own beginning like? Was there support? Was there repression and all that?
From my parents or just from my
Let's start with
surroundings?
parents.
Okay, from my parents, from the first time I wanted to do music, my mom was fully in support.
Oh,
My mom was fully in support. She was like, okay. My dad was like, go school, finish your school.
Okay.
Before you say you want to do music, at least have your certificate and all. I was like, okay, I'll go to school for you. I'll go to school for you. I'll go to school for you and I'll just do my music. I think that was why I had to like just let the music, even though I would have started officially 2014.
okay, 2 years earlier.
2 years earlier, yeah, I guess, or 3-4 years earlier. So I had to like go to school first, take school serious first.
But your dad wanted you to go to school.
Yep.
What did you study while you're in school?
Business administration.
And now you're singing.
Because you just want to sing, you might just, that's me going to school, this is me singing.
Some people would
I
think
want to sing, this is
after
what I love to
studying,
do.
after studying for 2 years and studying business admin, you might fall in love with the whole thing about business admin and just wanting to get a job instead of singing.
I don't think I'll be happy working anyway that's not business related and music related.
Okay, but this thing is, when you graduate and you're able to get a job, at least you have a secure and comfortable life. When you decide to do music, it's like some years of being broke at first. How did you? Were you not broke at all and feel tempted to just go work somewhere?
No, I do business. That's why I said I was going to say yes. Thanks to my dad for letting me go to school, study business administration. I do other businesses. Yeah, being you can be self-employed and just do your thing, get your income in other places and still do music.
Yeah, true.
So I'm into other businesses that I do.
So you're an entrepreneur.
Yes,
who still sings.
But I just want to do music because I love music.
Okay.
So that's it. So it really does. It actually helps because once you study, once you go to school, trust me, when I say school na scam, it's a big lie. You actually have to go to school to learn some things, one or two things, just to help your life, to help you. Because I'll say going to school actually helped me to know how to become an entrepreneur.
Okay, so I saw a picture which would surprise you. I saw a picture of your mom. She's really beautiful. I just had to put that there. Now I saw a picture of your dad. It was looking good too. He had this very big shirts and very big trousers. I think that was the picture you were trying to remake on your birthday, which we are going to have on the screen for the viewer to see. Okay. But your dad looks like the 50 Cent type. And your mom was like, okay, I have things planned, I have to get to work. How is it that your dad that looks like the 50 Cent type was the one who wanted you to go to school and your mom was the one who...
I would say my dad didn't want me to be what he was. He wanted me to be educated because he was not really educated.
Okay.
So he wanted his son to go to school. He was the Jai type. So I was like, okay, my son should go to school. I want him to go to school. As I said, I was going to do it for my dad. I'm still going to do it for my dad because I'm not done. I'm still going to do it for him. So yeah, that is why he wanted me to go to school. Yeah.
One of the last projects that you released, because I've listened to a couple of your songs, which I really, really like, is Jaye. Yeah, like, I listened to the song, you're basically talking about, you know, making money, partying, popping drinks,
enjoying your life.
No, you had to put the enjoying your life because you knew I was going to talk about carry girls. You wrapped the whole thing up.
Because problem no the finish. Enjoy your life.
Why are you not talking about I fell in love, you know, you broke my heart and something like that? Like,
no, I have songs like that. I have songs for every mood. I have songs for when you're down. I have songs for heartbreak. I have love songs.
Okay.
But that period in time, I was down and I was sad and all for a period of time, and I was like, now after this, I just want to. And my friends helped me out of that sad times and all. And I was like, okay, now I just want to party.
So you don't need therapy or anything now,
yeah. I don't need.
Okay, I'm just asking. I can help you.
I don't need. I'm fine now. I just want to party. I just want to have fun, be with my friends. That's it. Part of the girls, my female friends, be with them, my male friends, be with them, have fun, and that was why I did that song, that period.
Okay, so what's the biggest stage you've seen yourself performing at? You know, when you set out on a journey, you have a vision of where you want to go to, where you want to get to.
The biggest stage I've seen myself like I want to perform. Say O2 Arena. Yes.
I saw that one coming.
2 years. That's like where I can get like enough people. I think O2 Arena is like 20,000 people, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
20,000 people. Brice
performing in front of 20,000 people.
O2 Arena, 20,000 people. That's a whole lot of people.
Yeah.
That's a whole lot of money.
I'll get there.
Are you making the money already? No louder, because I will still send you my account number. But low key, are you making the money already?
Thank God for blessings.
Why can't people just say yes or no to simple questions?
Thank God for the blessings. That's the thing. Thank God for the blessings.
Is it blessings like, okay, I'm keeping faith, or the money doesn't enter already?
No money that can actually, how will I say it? Money is never enough.
I understand that.
So yeah, I would not say.
So technically, you're making money yet, but it's not enough.
I'm happy.
No, I'm not saying you're not happy.
Thank God for His blessings.
So you don't know say I won't beg. I don't know how that was my question.
I don't say you won't beg, but I would not say I'm making money yet. But I'm getting what I'm not saying I'm getting okay. I'm getting what I should get at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, people think, loads of people actually who are not in the music business or in the music industry, they believe just go to the studio, record songs, start dishing it out there, and then you made it.
No.
What's the journey been like exactly? Has it been more difficult than you imagined it to be?
It's very difficult, but then it just gets easier if you don't give up. Like because it's not just going to the studio. That's like the easiest part of it.
Okay.
Because you have to like record, releasing the music itself. It's not just releasing it. You have to like release it properly, promote it, like promote your craft, promote the song, promote everything. It's actually not very easy. But then as you continue to do it with the help of God and the help of your team, it gets easier.
Okay. So basically you started from Ikorodu and now you're Moplex TV. You've gotten somewhere.
Yeah, thank God.
And you're going to get everywhere else that you imagine getting to.
Amen.
Oh, okay. All right. That's a good one, actually. I'm actually impressed. I listened to Jai Jai, I listened to Sade, which I think that was just not a song. If you've not heard Brice Abbey's song, try Googling Brice Abbey, Sade. Now on Sade, Brice Abbey was talking about money no be everything, no Sade. Brice.
If you buy you anything.
No Sade. So were you toasting the girl? She was like, she can't date you because you don't have money.
No, the story behind Sade is we were dating. I couldn't get her the things she wants.
Okay, so Sade, you said don't blue because Brice is talking about you now on Fubu TV.
The crazy thing is, the story is not my story.
But it's your song and you told the story.
I told the story.
Fill us in.
It's actually about my guy.
Oh.
I know, yeah, so it is us. I knew everything about their relationship, about his relationship. I knew how it was going. I knew how hard he was trying to just make sure he does not lose the girl. But then she left him because he couldn't provide some things. So yes, I'm like,
I would feel bad for him, but I think that happens to
his
guys.
favorite song that he listens to that song like almost every time.
It's a nice song. You should also listen to Balance. What other songs out there that you think people should,
listen
go
to
out there
the
and
whole
download
Mr. Magician EP.
The whole Mr. Magician EP.
Yes,
So you have an EP out. How many
yes.
songs?
4 songs. Mr. Magician, Balance, Sade is on EP.
Okay.
And Like This.
Which one of the 4 songs on Mr. Magician, right?
Yes.
Which one of them is your favorite?
That would be hard because I don't know. I think all of them.
That's the normal question every artist will say because they don't want to make it sound like, okay, I did this so well and I didn't do this so well.
I actually like all 4 songs.
Okay.
Like everything.
I'm definitely going to listen to all 4 of them. Although I've heard Sade, but maybe not every other one on that song.
Yeah.
Now, there's also this gist that someday, somehow, the very popularly known Ybnl boss, that's Olamide himself, the Nigerian rapper, called you up by himself to talk about your song. What does it take for an Olamide to, call you himself to talk about your song?
Actually, what happened was, I would say I've known him for a very long time.
Okay.
I'll say he doesn't know me. He didn't know me. But I've known him and people around him.
We all know him.
Like personally.
Okay.
I've known him for a very long time. So I think someone must have played my song or told him about me. So that night I was like, okay, let me just call this guy.
You're trying to be humble.
I just tell him, okay. So when he called, I was like, hello. I was like, who is this? I was like, no, Olamide. I was like, which?
You know it was a prank.
Which Olamide? I didn't know. I didn't even expect it to be Badoo. I was like, which Olamide? Like Badoo. I was like, oh, when is not Badoo voice? I had to cut the call first. I shouted like the whole house. My guy said, what's happened? And Badoo calling. What's happened for real? I said, Badoo, call him back now. I said,
so wait, you actually hung up on Badoo?
And he called back. I was like, hello. I was like, but I beg, if you call me on video call, make
just so you'd believe that
he's the one. And then he did. I was like, it was that guy that he did this, like he heard my song and he likes it, and that's why I said you call me. I was like, okay, that when he's free and he wants us to meet, you let me know. I was like, okay. I was like, okay. So that's what happened.
So that was how it all went down.
Yeah, that's how it went down.
That's a nice one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically we've been talking, and I don't want it to seem like we're doing all the talk by ourselves. So I'm going to, go through my phone and just check all the messages that we've had on Fubu social media handle for the people who want to ask you questions. Should we go with the questions first, or you want to play the game?
Okay, I think we should play the game first.
We should play the game first. Okay.
For the questions.
So Brice is going to play a game now. It's called a game of 5 questions.
Okay.
Now you have to pick 2 out of 5 questions. So just basically randomly pick any number that you think might favor you from number 1 to number 5, and I'll read you whatever is there that is there for you to do.
With number 3.
Number 3. Number 3 says, and I quote, and to be frank now, I didn't make this up. Like, this is actually what is on number 3. And I'm going to put it on the screen for you to see very, very soon. So number 3 says, allow Arewa direct message 3 random people on your social media space. So Brice, can I humbly have your phone?
No problem.
There might not be problem when I'm done, but we'll see. It's just 3 people now.
So what are you going to tell them?
I could start with your dad. I could be like, Dad, I don't know how to tell you, but I've impregnated
My dad is late.
someone. Your dad is late.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that.
Yeah, it's
May
okay,
his soul
it's
rest
fine.
in peace.
It's fine.
We can still do your mom.
So I have to like.
No, I have to type it myself. I don't trust you. I don't trust people who put on shades in the studio. It's called sun shades. When it's in the studio. Let me just tell you what I'm messaging. So on this phone, there is a Vicky Kali. Okay, let me message Vicky Kali.
What are you going to tell me?
I'm going to say, babe, I've been meaning to tell you
Okay. Vicky Kali, when you are seeing this,
that
when you see this,
I
just
really,
Arewa did it.
really love you
Okay.
more
Arewa, it will
than
cause trouble because
a friend. Sent. Now I'm going to copy the message that I sent to Vicky Kali. That's a girl. And I'm going to send it to
she'll probably know it's a joke.
hold on. I'm going to send it to a Mustafa. That's a guy, yes. I'm sending it to a guy. Hopefully they're online and they're going to give us juicy replies. Okay, awesome. Mustafa is online. Let's see what his reply is going to be like. Now the third person is going to be his mom. What do you save your mom's number with, please? Mama Brice. Okay, so to his mom, I'm saying, dear mom.
Dear mom, she will know that I call my mom.
I love you.
She will know it's not me.
And I love you again.
Okay, that's cool. She will know it's me.
I may have or may have not impregnated our neighbor's daughter. But I don't know for sure till the baby is born and we have a DNA
I just hope my
test.
mom's not online. I just hope.
So please don't have a heart attack and don't be mad at me. It was a mistake. Sent.
She better not be online.
Okay, so one person replied. Mustafa actually replied. He sent things deeply. So I can imagine he's like this.
He's like, what?
Brice. So now he's thinking, is Brice bi? Is Brice playing with me?
They just feel.
Is Brice
probably just
pranking
feel
me?
like what's Brice doing?
What do you think Mustafa is going to be thinking right now?
He knows I joke a lot. So
He joke
like,
a lot with being in
no,
love
not
with
things
a guy.
like this. He just like, is this a mistake or?
Okay, he sent another message. This time it's a sticker. And the sticker says, walking away. So he's not going to have none of this. Unfortunately, the two other people, which is Brice's mom and the Vicky Kali, have not replied because they're not online. So while we're waiting for their messages, we're just going to play a little bit of a game show, or should we go on a break? Let's go on a break. But while we're going on a break, I would like to cue in Brice's video for the song Telephone, and I hope you enjoyed the song because I definitely did enjoy this one when I watch it. Don't go nowhere, I will be right back.
Yeah.
body bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. They call me Brice, yeah, 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 yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
Other baby, give me the chance to treat you right. Other baby, see I will never leave you. Yeah. Oh baby, see I will always hold you tight. Yeah. Early in the morning, yeah, it's you, I'm calling now. Yeah. Never leave me lonely, yeah. Yeah. Oh girl, I can't let you know.
Boy on the track.
Girl, I wanna give you good loving, but a little money.
Purchase your tracks today.
Oh yeah. Girl, I wanna touch you where you want it. Know you like the feeling. Know you really miss it. Early in the morning, girl, it's you, I'm calling now. Yeah. Never leave me lonely, yeah. Yeah. Oh girl, I got to let you know.
Boy on the track.
Badoo, your Badoo.
The first thing I noticed in that video is the TJ Mori montage. Brice, that was your first music shoot, right?
Yes.
How did you afford TJ Mori? That guy know they charge small money.
Actually, you know the.
So make I send the account number now. I'll be after the show.
No, don't be like that. Okay, what happened was the video was shot in 2016.
Okay.
It's an old video, 2016. Then I saw I think that's the first time I knew TJ Omari. I saw his video, shot this video for I think Dremo or DJ Equal or DNW of DNW, yes. So I was like, okay, at the end I was like, Baba, this video is shoot mad. I beg, just can't do anything for me. So I was like, okay, you pay so amount. I was like, Baba, this money I don't get. I know they under any label. I know they under any label.
But you have a label now?
No, I still don't have a label.
Well, you're still a free artist. This is one talent someone should sign. Grab him before you go. Grab him the way Olamide grab Fireboy. Just grab somebody.
So I was like, Baba, I don't get this kind of money. I was like, okay, show me, we'll talk. I was like, okay, I went to his house. Yeah, I went to his house and we just talked. I was like, okay, play this song for me. I was like, okay, I like this song. I'll go help you run the video. Go find so amount that was lesser than what he first said.
Okay.
So okay. Took me a while to get the money, but then when I got, I was like, okay, Baba, I don't ready. I was like, okay, come. And we just shot it and that came out.
Yeah,
it was nice.
It came out real good. I like the fact that
Big shout out to TJ Omari. That's like
TJ Omari.
one of the nicest person I've met.
Wow.
For real.
Is it so nice that if I wanted to shoot something, he would do it for me for free?
No, I don't think you will anymore.
Okay, back to the game. You picked just one question the other time.
Yeah, I picked the number.
And unfortunately, only one person replied for your WhatsApp. They don't like you. Pick your second question. Number 3 is out of question. So we have 1, 2, 4, and 5.
Number 5.
Number 5. This guy is not lucky. He's not lucky at all. Number 5 said, I don't know, maybe I should just read it out or find a way to put it on screen so you see I'm not lying. Number 5 says, I'll give you the phone to check. Number 5 says, gift Arewa your left earring right now. Do you want to confirm? No, do you want to confirm?
Well, okay, this is my right, my left earring.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Today's not even my birthday and I'm taking something home.
Do I get it back after the show? Or
Brice,
I'll
the
gift
rule
you?
says gift Arewa your earring, your left earring right now.
Can I pick another number?
Oh, you picked one already and you picked the second one.
Okay, do you use earrings?
Gift me the earring. I'll give my girlfriend. We'll buy the second ear later.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
today's a good day. I don't think I'm ever going to. Yeah, it's even my
Everybody see,
size.
I gave it to Arewa. Can you
He
see?
put it on the table. He didn't give me, but I like it. It's cute. Okay, so we don't waste much time. Let's just move on to some of the questions that your fans want me to ask you.
Okay.
There's 8 now. The first one is, what conspiracy theory would you like to start?
Okay. Conspiracy theory I would like to start.
You know, I've always been thinking of starting something like going on Twitter and just saying, I'm not human. So every night when everyone is falling asleep, I'm, like going back to space where I came from because I'm an alien and all that.
I don't know.
Do you think people will fall for that?
Nope.
You don't think so?
That's what I'm thinking.
Am I not
How would
funny,
that-
good looking, capable enough to
Well,
look
you
like
look
an
like
alien? 'Cause
an
I think
alien.
they're good at everything. I might just call the fire. You never can tell.
You don't have long ears.
No, those are elves. I'm an alien with normal human ears. I metamorphosed into the way the way humans look.
Conspiracy theory. Probably no, it is not. It is not.
It doesn't have
not
any.
a conspiracy
It doesn't
theory.
have any vibes.
It is the truth, actually.
Vibes. Brice does not have
It's
any.
the truth. It is. I'm a small god.
Oh, that's a nice one. A demigod.
Yeah, it is actually.
Okay,
It's
cool.
the truth. It's not even a conspiracy
Number
theory.
2, the person says, what's invincible? Okay, what's invisible but you wish people could see?
What's invincible? I wish people could see. Okay. I think this is hard.
Everything is hard for Brice. For Brice, rather.
What's invisible that I wish people could see? Okay, I'll not see my thoughts because they're fogged up. Okay, some of my thoughts.
Some of your thoughts.
Yes.
I don't want to see your thoughts. If you could release a song like Mr. Magician,
No.
Sexy Magician.
Not-
I don't want to
not-
see your thoughts.
Not that.
Okay, so this one says, if you open a restaurant, what kind of food would you serve?
Local dishes. I don't like those.
So you've got earrings, you've got the necklace, the nice wristwatch, sunshade in the dark room, and you're not giving us chicken and chips. You went local. If you really could do boy, show for your body. You don't just they do I yet. You go see start out. Okay, this one says, what's the best Wi-Fi name you've seen? What's the best Wi-Fi? I think I've seen one named AFCC. I've seen Go Sub Your Own.
Oh yeah, that's what
yeah.
was broke boy. Go sub your own.
Broke boy, Go Sub Your Own. That's
Say
actually
broke boy.
really funny.
And it was when I saw was Connect and Die.
Chai.
Like connect
I've
and
seen
die.
that. I've seen that almost everywhere. That's like a trend now. People like using that right
Connect
and
and
left.
Die. I was like, okay, I will still connect.
Okay. So this one is my favorite of all the questions. I think the person knows you like in person. So the person says, when you were in Mapoli, you used to have this girlfriend named Reina, and you were so in love with her, you decided to start a record label named Brina. That's Brice and Reina. So what's become of that relationship
It was not
and
when
the
I was
label?
in Mapoli. It was when I just got out of secondary school. It was a tutorial lesson.
Okay.
That's where I met her. And it was not even a record label.
What was
It
it?
was more of, I'll say, a group.
Okay, she sings too.
No, she doesn't.
So
I just took the name. It was me and my guys.
okay.
They're going to be Brina.
So you give you and your guys a name that was best from you and your babe.
They didn't know. They liked it.
I'm
They
saying,
didn't know.
I'm
They
saying
didn't
why.
know.
I'm saying
They
why
didn't
the
know.
spirit asked me to ask that your guy to tell that your guy you're in love with him.
They didn't know it was my name and a name.
Okay.
Just believed it was just one name I just came up with, and they liked it. They liked it until I told them the truth. Yeah.
Oh, so the girl dumped you eventually.
No, life just happened. We went,
Life
Went to
happens.
separate schools.
Yeah, when life happens, people dump people. Who
we
dumped
went
you?
separate schools.
Okay, so y'all just dumped each other.
Yeah, I guess. Went to separate schools and life just happened. So.
Okay. So let me take you to social media space.
Okay.
Forever, since like forever, there's been this fight between, let's not call it a fight, there's been this debate between Davido fans and Wizkid fans. The Davido fans are like, Davido is the king of all kings, Wizkid, no, they smell inside. The Wizkid fans are like, Davido doesn't write his songs, Davido no be me talk am. Like, Wizkid fans are like, Davido doesn't write his songs, people write all the hits, so Davido is the king of all kings. Brice, based on you're an artist,
okay,
you're in the industry like these two people, and I believe probably you look up to them. What's your opinion, Davido, Wizkid?
First, about the songwriting, I'll say there's really nothing bad about having songwriters.
Okay.
And I believe most artists have songwriters. It is really not a big deal the way Nigeria and take it. Yeah, so, and I would say see these fans and they are too toxic. They are just want to cause trouble. There's really no trouble.
I guess that's good publicity.
These two guys are like one of the best out. You should support two of them and just make sure they
can
go
two people
higher.
be the best?
Yes.
And I've not even thrown burnaboy into the mix now. I just left
There's
you with
space for
Wizkid and David.
everybody. There's space for everybody. There's space for Wizkid, there's space for David, there's space for burnaboy, there's space for Brice. There's space for everybody to
Yeah, I like
everything
that.
you get. So I would say there's really no need to start comparing these two. They both drop good music. Listen to Davido if you want to listen to Davido. Listen to Wizkid if you want to listen to Wizkid. I'm a fan of like everybody. I listen to Wizkid, listen to Davido, listen to burnaboy, listen to everybody.
Okay.
So
So Davido just dropped a single titled "So Crazy" and it's featuring American rapper Lil Baby, and the song has been a massive wave. It was out just less than 48 hours, right? I think it has already over 1 million views on YouTube Vivo where it was released. So let's just go on a break with that particular song from Davido featuring Lil Baby, and it's titled "So Crazy." It's So Crazy by Davido off his soon to be dropped 13-track album named A Better Time. That's a sequel to A Good Time. And that was featuring Lil Baby, the American rapper. That's a really good song. If you've not heard it, do go listen to it. And if you've not seen the visuals before, you should have a look at it again because it's a really, really good one. Now, Brice, you know, they say nothing is ever complete without social influences or culture imputed in it.
Yes, true.
So where exactly are you from? What state are you from?
Ogun State.
Ogun State. Wow, voila, that's really sweet. Yeah. Have you heard of Ojude Oba?
Yes.
You have. What's it about?
I think it's about is this festive?
Like a festive celebration. But you've not attended any of you?
I haven't.
Oh, okay. All right. Like I said earlier, culture, nothing is complete without culture infused in it. And culture, they say, is a way of life. Since we do not have really much time on our hands, I'm going to leave you with a video of an Ojude Oba, which is a festival, a cultural festival that happens in Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State, Nigeria. Basically, it happens on the 3rd day of Eid-el-Kabir, which Yoruba people call the Ileya Day. It's a festivity that's more like a congratulatory thing where people from different angles of the world, they travel over here to witness the very, very colorful and blissful festival that's held right here in Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State, Nigeria. That's what I'm going to leave you with. So I'm hoping that you enjoyed the show. Why am I even hoping? I'm sure that you enjoyed the show. Do catch us for the next episode sometime this week, which is going to be still interesting, and we'll bring you closer to someone else who's going to give you as much fun as Brice has been able to give you today. So join us same time, same station, Fubu TV next week. Bye-bye.